Hey boys and girls, it's Amanda here. We're outside doing our leaf hunt. Now, it said there's all different kinds of leaves in our story. These leaves are kind of slick. And you're right, they're green, so they're growing. And these leaves look kind of long, don't they? So this is part of a bush. And, oh, I see a very special leaf that we learned about in our story. Let's go see what it is. Come on, boys and girls, come with me. We're going on a leaf hunt. Right, we've got the tree here. Oh, but let's stop while we're looking at the tree. What do we have that grow down here? We can kind of see them right here. What are they? You're right, the tree roots. And that's how it stays nice and strong. All right, let's keep going. I wanted us to look at these special leaves right here. These are the prickly leaves, like in our story. They were called the pine trees. The pine trees reminded us of what? The Christmas trees, and they live all year round. Boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed our leaf hunt. I hope you're able to go outside and do one yourselves. Have a good day. Bye-bye.